guys, so today we're going to make an avocado and tuna salad with a twist, so let's get started. Here we have our ingredients for making our avocado tuna salad. What we're not seeing here is we're also going to use olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, and black pepper to taste. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut open our avocado so that we can peel the avocado skin. So of course we have to remove the seed from inside, and that little membrane, we just take it out, and then we will just peel the skin off the avocado so that we'll be able to cut it up into bite-sized pieces for our salad. So after we have completed our cutting up our avocado, we're gonna move over to our cucumber. So what I decided to do is actually de-seed my cucumber. So I just took a spoon and scraped out the seeds in the middle, and then I'm here now just chopping up the cucumber, as you can see. After that's completed, we got all our cucumber chopped up. We're now going to move over to cutting up our side. Of course, if you have spring onions, you can use that as well. Again, you also can use onion if you so desire, but I tend not to use onion, so I use either side or spring onions. And then the last thing there that you saw me cut up was the cilantro. So now we're just going to add everything to our bowl. Just combine all the ingredients there, and then we're going to add our 2 tins of tuna to the mixture, and then we're going to mix everything together thoroughly so we can combine. Oh, of course, before we do that, we will add our olive oil, we will add our apple cider vinegar. Now traditionally persons would add lemon at this point, but I decided to use apple cider vinegar instead. So there I'm adding my apple cider vinegar, and I'm also adding a pinch of salt, of sea salt, and some freshly cracked black pepper. So after adding all these things, now we're just going to combine everything together. We're going to mix it. We're going to toss everything and mix well so everything gets incorporated and combined nicely. Okay guys, so there you have it, our delicious and healthy avocado tuna salad. Of course, as I mentioned, the difference or the twist in this one is that instead of using lemons, we use apple cider vinegar. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.